Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Rehan Habibi and I am from student English department in Universitas Negeri Padang. And in this video, I will explain you about subject and verb agreement. Okay, subject and verb agreement means that the verb must agree with the subject in number. If the subject is singular, the verb is singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb is plural. This rule is very important, especially when we use the simple present tense. First, let's talk about singular subject. A singular subject means one person and one thing or one idea. When the subject is he, she, it, and the verb usually ends with s and es. For example, she likes English, or he plays football, and the teacher explains the lesson clearly. In these sentences, the subject are singular, so the verb also take a singular form. Now let's talk plural subject. Plural subject mean more than one person or thing. For plural subject, the verb doesn't use s or es. For example, they like English. The students play football. The teachers explain the lesson clearly. So remember this important rule. Singular verb plus es or es. Plural best form of the verb. Next, let's look at sentences where the subject is separated by extra word or phrase. Sometimes a sentence looks long, but you must focus on the main subject, not the word in between. For example, the student in classroom is very quiet. The main subject here is the student, not the classroom. That's why the correct verb is. And another example, the student in the classroom are very quiet. Here the main subject is the students with plural. So we use are. Word like in, of, with, along with, or together with do not change the subject. Now let's talk about indefinite pronouns such as everyone, someone, somebody, nobody, and everybody. These words are always singular. For example, everyone is ready for the test. Somebody needs help. Nobody knows the answer. Even though these words refer to many people, the verb must still be singular. Next, let's look at collective nouns such as team, class, family, and group. When the group acts as one unit, we use a singular verb like the class is very quiet or the team is winning the match. This usage is common in American English, which usually treats collective noun as singular. Now let's look at some common mistake in subject and verb agreement. Many students say she do not like coffee. But the correct sentence is she doesn't or she does not like coffee. Another mistake like the students studies English, but the correct sentence is the students study English. And another common mistake like everyone knows the answer, but the correct one is everyone knows the answer. Before we finish, let's review quickly. Always find the subject first, then decide if it's singular or plural. After that, choose the correct verb form. That is the basic rule of subject and verb agreement. I repeat again, always find the subject first. Is it singular or plural? And then after that, choose the correct verb. Singular plus verb es or es, and the plural plus verb, only verb. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you understand about subject and verb agreement more clearly. Okay, see you next time, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video because this is so meaningful to me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.